Ever wondered how much money YouTubers really make? Whether you're a new creator, a curious fan, or someone thinking about starting a channel, today's video is going to blow your mind. Let's break down the math behind YouTube earnings and show you how you can instantly estimate your channel's potential using a free tool, the YouTube Money Calculator. This tool is super simple and honestly pretty powerful. It gives you an estimate of how much a YouTube video or channel can earn based on one key factor: views. All you do is enter your average video views or your total views, and boom, the calculator shows you a potential earnings range based on average CPM rates. Before we use the calculator, here's a quick breakdown of how YouTubers earn money. Ad revenue. This is the big one. YouTube pays creators through the Google AdSense program. CPM, cost per thousand impressions. This varies widely by country, niche, and time of year. RPM, revenue per thousand views, which includes all earnings, not just ads. Other income streams like brand deals, merch, super chats, and memberships. Not calculated here, but important. Let's say your video gets 100,000 views. We enter that in, and just like that, the calculator shows an estimated earning range of $300 to $1,000. Why the range? Because CPM can vary. You might make $3 per 1,000 views, or $10 depending on your niche. These numbers aren't exact, but they're a great way to understand your earning potential. And it's super motivating. Want to boost your YouTube income? Here are a few quick tips to target high CPM niches like finance, tech, and education. Create longer videos to show more ads. Improve watch time and audience retention. The better your metrics, the more YouTube recommends your videos. Enable monetization as soon as you hit the requirements. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now a quick reality check. Most creators don't make thousands overnight, but with consistent uploads, smart content, and good SEO, your earnings can grow over time. This calculator gives you a peek behind the curtain. It's not a guarantee, but a tool to help you plan and dream smarter. Curious how much your videos could earn? Try it yourself at youtube-thumbnail-download.org/youtube-money-calculator. And hey, if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more YouTube tools and tips, and comment below. How much do you think your next video will make? I'll be replying to a few. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not just about views, it's about value. Keep creating,